it's going down. No excuse, I know that she don't drink the brown, so I grab the goose. I lit the Dutch and lit the candle just to switch the mood. So I know you get the picture where I'm getting to. Touching your body, I'm loving your smell. Winning with you, girl, I can't take no L's.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, my friend is doing my makeup. You guys are about to watch my eyebrows finally look like something because I'm not doing it. So right now she's just shaping them and trying to get them together. You guys already know I have some thick behind eyebrows. Okay guys, so now she's putting makeup under my eyebrows or whatnot, you know, to give that little, to make it look okay. Y'all, I don't know, I ain't even gonna hold you, but y'all can see what she doing. Yeah, she's just shaping my eyebrow, making that thing look nice. You guys already know in this makeup journey, I've been struggling on these eyebrows. And I am super duper glad that I finally found somebody that can do them. Because I'm trash. I be trying, but I'm trash altogether, y'all. But we about to get into this video. Let me zip it. Y'all, grab your popcorn and stuff. And just look at how she does an amazing job, y'all. Okay, y'all, so this the saucy shit right here. This is super duper cute. Love, 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 love the makeup. And of course, the eyebrows, y'all. But that is the end of the video. If you want to see the wig installed, all you have to do is wait till tomorrow. Subscribe to this channel. Later.